Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import Evernote notes into Obsidian. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, search for the Obsidian Importer plugin and open the official page. Then, open Obsidian and go to Settings. Over here, click on Community Plugins and install the Importer plugin. After that, enable the Importer plugin. Then, open the Importer plugin using the command palette or the ribbon icon. Over here, under File Format, choose Evernote enex. After that, select the location of your Evernote backup file. Then click import and wait until the import is complete. So that's basically how you can import Evernote notes into Obsidian. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.